Hello! It's your beautiful butterfly Rebekah here, and I got another package for you, and it's by Too Faced. And I cannot wait to show you what I got in Too Faced. So if you want to see what is in this pink box with the bow, stay tuned and let's get into this video. Okay guys, let's open this up. Let's open her up. And I got two assistants right on my lap. Big one and little one. Are my assistants for the little video. Because they wanted to come up here and join in too. If I can open the box, how does this box open? Does it open? Oh, it opens this way, not that way. Okay. Look, guys, look what I got. Woo! Lots and lots of stuff. Boys, hold on. Hold on. Let me see if I got everything. Show that here in a minute. I'm going to put the box down because that is everything and it goes in the trash. And what did I just drop? Okay. Okay guys, I'll show you the small stuff that I got. These are samples. I got the Do You Full Coverage Fresh Glow Foundation. Looking like that. Hoping this will fit me. Are you okay over there? And then I have this Too Faced glitter glue, which it makes your eyes poppin'. Got that. Then I'll start out, before we get into this bag, we'll start out with this little baby here. It's a melted matte metallic lippy, and it's called Magic Metal Transformer. And I bought this because, like, you bought something, you would get it on sale. But I saw this, and I saw another one too, and I wanted it. But I want to try this out. Look at this. Look at this baby. Ooh, multi-chrominal dimension. And we're going to swatch her too. If I can open it. Come on. Does it smell? Nope. Okay. We are going. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. Woo! Look at her. This is kind of like the unicorn tears, but it has browns and blues and purples, and it. Ooh, look at that, guys. Woo! That's beautiful. Cannot wait to do a makeup look. Hey, actually, you know what? I'm going to put this on my lip right now. Going to put it on my purple lips. And we are going to see what it looks like. Look at that. Hold on, let me get a little bit more. It's okay, bud. Things are just falling. Okay. Look at that. It looks blue on my lips right now. Hey, stop that. That's okay. It's okay. Okay, there's that. Okay, now in this bag, okay, I wanted the grab bag for Too Faced, and I thought they had like totally sold out and they didn't have no more grab bags. But I was wrong. They had a grab bag. And we're gonna open it and see what's all in it. Everything. Oh. So the first thing I am gonna pull out here is the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbons palette. I have this palette, but mine didn't come with a case on it. Mine didn't, I don't think, came with the case. But this is what it looks like. I may put this in the giveaway. May not. And this is what it looks like. It's a beauty. And it smells like chocolate. I may keep it and then throw out my other one. I don't know. But I'm thinking about putting this in the giveaway. Or I may just save it for a friend of mine and give it to her. So, yes, I got that. And then we got some more stuff in here. We have, oh, hold on, be back. Okay, guys, sorry about that. I had to take that phone call. This is the Too Faced Melted Liquefied Longwear Lipstick, and I got Chihuahua. Which I think I have this one, but the one I have is not as big as this one. And is this one the same tip? Yes, it's the same tip. And I know I have, I think, a smaller one, and it is in Chihuahua. So I'm going to swatch this because the one that I have comes out to look like more brownie to me, I think. Yeah, it's like a nude color. I'm glad I got another one because I don't know if the other one's good or not anymore. So I'm glad I got that. Then, what else did I get? There's more items in here, guys. There's about 3 more items. I got the Volume Better Than Sex mascara. This will be going into the giveaway because I know one of the items we are getting in our Boxycharm is a full size of this. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in the giveaway so that you guys can try this really nice mascara. I like this mascara. I have the waterproof and the regular one. Ah, that just fell. And I want you guys to try it out. And then I got the Melted Matte, and I got in Granny Panties. Look at that color. Oh, and I wanted to show you guys something. Can you see my eyelashes? I got purple on my eyelashes. I don't know if you can see it, but I know in one of my videos I think you can. But, so this is Granny Panties. Ooh, that is a pretty color. And it's like one of these. So, I'm going to see if I can start getting these. I'm going to see if, I'm going to wait till they go on sale, though, because they are expensive. Wait till they go on sale. And start getting me a collection of them. This is a really pretty purple. Look at that. It's really pretty. It's a like grayish purple, but it's really pretty. So I got that. And then I got the Too Faced Sketch Marker in deep navy blue. This is an eyeliner, liquid art eyeliner. Now I know that they have different colors, but look at this. Oh, look, it has like a little pin type thing. Looks like this. Oh no, my mom may like this. Ooh, you can do a thin line. You can do like a medium line. Or you can do a thick line. That is cool. That is cool. Okay. Oops. So I got that. So that's everything in the grab bag. I'm excited about this lipstick right here and this one right here that I bought myself, but these came in the grab bag, you know. So yes, see, this like, okay, this one doesn't match its box. This is like a pink, okay? That's not a pink, that's a brown, but that's okay. So I want to say thank you for watching. If you're not already, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell. And join the beautiful butterflies, because we are amazing and unique in our own little community, because we fly together. So I love you guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.